Okay, here's Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. At 7. Oh, yep, Holly's getting back there behind the gate. She drug the tube across, and then she still is. AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. This is Rebecca and John Wayne's litter at just almost 7 weeks old. They are very playful. You can see they continue to just get more and more so every week. Oh, Benjamin over there, Blue, lost his ribbon. Oh, he's gonna keep it with him though, so you can tell.
Green's tiny one with the raccoon.
Yeah. Oh goodness. We actually had somebody this week ask if they could be used as hunting dogs. If that raccoon's any indication, I would say the answer is yes. That is interesting because both the poodle and the cocker spaniel did originate as hunting dogs. Of course, they're just playing with the toy, but I thought that was an interesting question, and I looked into some research on it this week, and it was pretty interesting that they are actually used somewhat as hunting dogs. I did not realize that, but it makes total sense. Anyway, as you can see, they're doing great. Everybody's very active, very healthy, very playful. The tunnel is a new thing, and some of them aren't too sure and some of them love it, and then Holly just likes to drag it around the room over and over and over again. I did have some not very thorough thinking in the timing of this video, and we did the video right after we fed them, so they're a little scuzzy, but they'll have their bath tomorrow before pictures. Friday's bath day. You can hear also the little yipping is Lily's new litter. They're not sure what to do with that tunnel. Dragging it around is better than going in it, apparently. We still got a tug of war going on with the raccoon over here. Oh, baby's gonna start crying. They're checking out. What's that noise? We said they'd be used to household noises. They definitely are. I was just gonna say Hefe Gold there has decided to take a nap, but nope. Rudy's trying to hold on to his possession of the bone there. Oh! Almost got taken. I almost can't even keep up with them. I'm probably just making you dizzy in the video. That Gold there, I was saying, Hefe, he kind of takes the approach of lay down and hide and attack everybody as they come by. Molly's just running circles with the raccoon. So if you haven't done it already, you probably do want to get a couple toys for them before they go home. We'll be sending one with you anyway in your puppy pack that's similar to a toy that we have that they all really like. But you'll have to work with him on their manners of chewing and what to chew and what not to chew. But they definitely need something they can sink their little, there's a bark, sink their little puppy teeth into.
Oh, one's in the tunnel.
Oh, yep, somebody went in the tunnel. I didn't see who it was.
Oh, they out there?
Nope, he's hanging out right there. It's Hefe.
Got the ball.
Oh, and he got the ball and he's gonna run with it.
Here, there goes the tunnel. Open the spout.
So there they are. They'll get their bath in the morning, which they desperately need. Rebecca, now that they're pretty well on solid food, she does not have much to do with cleaning them. So we try to keep up with baby wipes, but they definitely are in need of their bath tomorrow. You don't want to bathe them too often because of just the oils in their skin and stuff. You don't want to dry them out. But in the puppy stage, we would probably recommend about once a week. There are products that you can kind of spritz and do kind of in between bath cleans a little bit, and baby wipes are definitely something we recommend. And we will have a tub of baby wipes for you in your puppy take-home package. We've tried to really think through what will help you get home and include that. So we'll have some baby wipes. What else? Is there anything I'm forgetting to say at this stage? They start going home a week from tomorrow.
Be ready to fly.
Yep. A week from tomorrow, and then another couple go home a week from Saturday, and then we've got 2 stragglers we get to keep a little longer because our families had some plans. Now, if you're one of them on Lily's litter and you're watching this, I need to email you guys, but with Lily's litter, we will not be able to keep puppies past 8 weeks.
Oh, there's another one in there. One's in the tunnel.
That's going to be our only little chunk of time to get away this summer, and so we have a friend that's going to stay here with the dogs. But we'll need to have Lily's litter go home that weekend after they're 8 weeks old. So there they are. I probably better turn it off, or our internet will take all night to upload this, but they're doing good. We are so excited for you guys to meet them. Can't wait for you to see them and get to play with them. They are so much fun.
She's paint went through twice.
They're figuring it out, huh? That's a new toy today.
There goes another one.
Oh, she went in the side hole there.
2 of them there.
Yes, she went in the side hole.
Uh-huh. They broke the 2 of them there.
And he just got a couple of them are starting to sort off with just a toy over to the edge. They're wearing down. They can only play like this for so long, and pretty soon they'll all be a heap. A sleeping heap of puppies. So, okay, we're gonna go for tonight, and we'll do baths in the morning and send you pictures of your clean puppies tomorrow. You If you're a visitor that hasn't read about our program yet, you can read all about us at www.millcreekfamilyfarms.com. We'll talk to you later.